Conversation 1.
Hello. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am. Today is my first day.
Well, welcome. My name is Tony.
Hi, Tony. I'm Beth.
Are you new in town?
Yes, I'm from New York.
Wow, the big city. Well, I hope you like our small town.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I am. Born and raised here.
That is so cool. Well, it is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Conversation 2.
Hey, Beth. How is your first day?
It is really good. This school is great.
How are your classes?
They are fun. My teachers are so nice.
Who are your teachers?
My English teacher is Mr. Wong.
Oh, he is really nice.
Yes, he is. My Spanish teacher is Mrs. Garcia.
Oh, she is really nice too.
Yes, her class is a lot of fun. Conversation 3.
What is your favorite class?
Spanish. I love it. My Spanish is not very good, though. I am just a beginner.
Well, Spanish is my first language. My name is Tony, short for Antonio.
Really? That is so cool.
Yeah, my dad is from Mexico and my mom is from Costa Rica.
Wow, you are so lucky.
Yeah, Spanish is easy for me, so I can help you if you like.
I'd like that. Thank you.
Conversation 4.
Tony, where is the computer lab?
It's just down the hall.
My Spanish class is there tomorrow.
Oh, when is the class?
It's at 6, after school.
Why isn't the class online?
It is, but I'm still new in town, so I don't have internet at home yet.
Oh, I see. Well, good luck with the class.
Thanks. I'm excited for it. I think online classes are fun.
I think so too.